Hello children, today we will learn 10th standard English poem Quality of Mercy. Quality of Mercy is written by William Shakespeare and it is an extract from one of his famous plays, The Merchant of Venice. Portia, one of the main characters in the play, argues why mercy is the greatest virtue of all and tries to change Shylock's heart against Antonio, his rival in money lending business. Children, you have to memorize this poem written by William Shakespeare.
The quality of mercy is not strained. The quality of mercy is not strained. It droppeth as a gentle rain from heaven. It droppeth as a gentle rain from heaven. Upon the place beneath it is twice blessed. Upon the place beneath it is twice blessed. It blessed him that gives and him that takes. It blessed him that gives and him that takes. It is mightiest in the mightiest it becomes. It is mightiest in the mightiest it becomes. The quality of mercy is not strained. The quality of mercy is not strained. The throne monarch better than his crown. The throne monarch better than his crown. His scepter shows the force of temporal power. His scepter shows the force of temporal power. The attribute to awe and majesty. The attribute to awe and majesty. Wherein doth sit the dread and fear of kings? Wherein doth sit the dread and fear of kings? But mercy is above these scepters way. But mercy is above these scepters way. The quality of mercy is not strained. The quality of mercy is not strained. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to God Himself. It is an attribute to God Himself. And earthly power doth then shows like His God. And earthly power doth then shows like His God. When mercy seasons justice. When mercy seasons justice.
Here in the first stanza of the poem, the poet William Shakespeare says that mercy cannot be shown forcibly, but it is expressed like the gentle rain from heaven. It is blessed twice as it blesses the one who receives it and also the one who gives it. Mercy is one of the strongest virtues in man. So here in the first and second line, mercy is compared to the gentle rain from heaven. The quality of mercy is not strained, it droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven. This is a simile, comparison we can say. Mercy is expressed as love, compassion and kindness towards people who need it. It is like the rain which is showered on all by God. So here the speaker justifies the power of mercy by saying that mercy is the mightiest of the mightiest, as the person who is merciful is more powerful than the emperor who holds the scepter wielding royal power. One who is merciful is blessed by God Himself. Here in the second stanza, the poet William Shakespeare says that the emperor who sits on a throne and the scepter in his hand reveals worldly power. The scepter is attributed to royal power, which makes people to be in respect and fear of the kings. But the power of mercy is above the royal power, symbolizing the scepter in the hands of the monarchs. Here, the scepter shows the force of temporary power of emperors and queens who are mortal, and their power also would end one day. But the quality of mercy stands for God, who is all merciful, always towards all his creation. So when we are merciful, we are representing God Himself. An emperor who is enthroned on a throne with a crown on his head and a scepter in his hand creates fear and dread in people. A scepter is the symbol of power of the king. This creates a sense of awe and fear in the minds of people. Here, temporal means worldly power, majesty, royal power. Doth, old way of saying does. Dread means threat, fear. And the last stanza says is that mercy is enthroned in the heart of the kings. It is characteristic of God Himself. When one is merciful, he is almost like God in benevolence. When mercy is shown, it helps in delivering justice in the righteous way. While giving judgment, if one is merciful, then the quality will shine like God Himself. It means that while imparting justice, one has to be merciful. When mercy is enthroned in a king's heart, he becomes equivalent to God Himself. Here, enthroned means seated, attribute, quality or character, likest gods, like that of God. Here, seasons means tempers. Here in this poem, there are 14 lines, but it is not a sonnet. The lines here do not end in a rhyme scheme, which is one of the prerequisites of a sonnet. Children, kindly memorize the poem Quality of Mercy written by William Shakespeare. Revise it. Thank you.